Alright, good evening everybody. We're gonna open this bad boy up. It's a AT iMG624 multi-service gateway. Allied Telesis. I don't know what that means. So let's get into it. See if it's worth opening up. Let's check it out. 4 screws. One more. Alright, looks like we should be in. So one more look at it. You guys can see it. Pop this baby open. Boom. So it's literally just landing there, which makes me think that's super cheap. Plastic. That's weird. It wasn't even connected to either. Well, I guess it was. That's weird. It's like the case was together and then this was connected. Crazy. Anyway, super cheap board. And there's like nothing on it. I don't know if you can click that little chip. But yeah, there's like nothing on this, so I would throw that right in my shred pile. Plastic weight. Alright, to the next.